Today we're drawing Black Ranger from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Start with the long center part of the helmet. Add the two small side shapes at the top. Then draw the layered lines in the middle. After that, connect the curved top, add the small shape above, the side pieces, and finish the lower sides. Draw the wide visor across the helmet. Add the curved shapes inside. And fill the visor with black. Add the mouth area below the visor, then draw a few simple lines for the mouth. Finish the lower face and connect it smoothly to both sides of the helmet. Draw the first arm reaching up, then add the glove holding the axe handle firmly. Now draw the long axe handle, the large curved blade, and the simple details in the middle. Draw the upper body and add the diamond pattern across the chest. Add the other arm raised beside the body, ending with a strong clenched fist. Draw the belt around the waist, then add the buckle in the center. Draw the first leg stretching outward from the body. Add the other leg on the opposite side, keeping the stance wide and balanced. Draw the first boot and add the diamond pattern near the top. Draw the other boot in the same style, resting firmly on the ground. Finally, add the small holster hanging beside the belt. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time.